Hi everyone, this is your Mommy Kat and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna talk about a product that I've recently discovered at malaki ang naitulong sa skin ko. So if you wanna see what I've got, then please keep on watching. Ayan, hello ulit sa inyo and welcome back. In today's video, we're gonna talk about the Live Balance Collagen Jelly. Ayan, so let me show you the packaging first. It comes in this box. Ayan, ang cute ng combination, white and pink, at flip type siya. And it contains 5 sachets of this collagen. Okay, so let me read what's written on this box. It says, Live Balance Collagen Jelly. It has 4 types of collagen and contains 5,000 milligrams of collagen. Basahin pa natin ang ibang nakasulat. So it says here, it has patented fish collagen with hyaluronic acid. Sorry kung mali yung pag-pronounce ko kasi hindi ako expert pagdating sa mga ingredients na to. Napakahirap basahin. At meron din siyang elastin, astaxanthin, and silk protein. It says here that it has 5 jelly sticks. Ito. Yan. 20 grams ang each stick and it is orange flavor. So I've been taking this for the past week at masarap talaga siya, guys. Para siyang jam na more on the jelly type. Parang pwede nga siyang ipalaman sa tinapay sa sobrang sarap. At ang maganda pa dito, you can bring it anywhere with you since naka-sachet siya. So if you need to go to the grocery, then you can bring it with you and take it as a snack during the grocery run. Hi guys, so pasingit lang. Kanina, busy ako sa bahay, so I had no time to take the collagen jelly of Live Balance. Pero since nga na convenient to bring siya, pinuk ko na lang siya sa bag ko. Then, nandito ako ngayon sa my dinner with family. So, ngayon ko siya iti-take. Binideo ko na rin to para makita nyo kung anong itsura sa loob. Ayan, so ganito yung sachet niya. Then, bubuksan nyo lang siyang ganyan. Tapos, eto na siya guys. Ayan. Ganyan ang itsura niya. O, diba parang jam na jelly. Ayan. Kainin na natin. Sarap talaga siya guys. Parang siyang parang dessert. Tapos guys, sabi dito, compared to capsules, tablets, and gummies, this has 3 times more absorption. So, mas absorbable siya compared to the capsules, tablets, and gummies na collagen. So, plus point na naman yun. Ayun lang, pinakita ko lang sa inyo. Balik na ako sa family dinner and back to the main video. Ayan, so basahin naman natin ang nakasulat sa likod. It says here, directions for use. Take 1 jelly per day, preferably in the morning. At ang suggestion nila ay to drink a cup of water after ingestion. Ang storage condition naman, store at temperature not exceeding 30 Celsius away from direct sunlight and moisture. Ayan, so katulad ng sinabi ko kanina, I've been recently taking this product at nagugustuhan ko talaga siya. Kasi as a busy mom of 3 and 7 fur babies, I don't have much time in my hands for long skincare routines in the morning and in the evening. Of course, I still clean myself up in the morning and in the evening, but I've been missing an extra oomph in my skincare routine. Like parang may kulang. Parang may something na kailangan ko. Lalo na ngayon at the age of 40, hindi na ako bumabata. Mahirap mang aminin pero ganun talaga, lahat tayo tumatanda. Naghanap talaga ako ng product that can help me keep young and glowing at the same time. Kahit na sobrang busy ko sa mga gawain dito sa bahay, sa pag-aalaga ng mga anak ko, at sa pag-aalaga ng mga fur babies ko. So bago ko sabihin sa inyo kung ano ang mga naitulong sa akin ng product na to, pag-usapan muna natin ang mga skincare ingredients nito. Ayan, so meron akong kodigo dito para masabi ko sa inyo ang some of the benefits of the ingredients of Live Balance Collagen Jelly. Okay, so let's start with the patented collagen type 1, 2, 5, and 10. Ang benefits nito ay it helps delay aging and anti-wrinkle. Yan, kailangan natin yan kasi tumatanda na tayo. It also has hyaluronic acid which helps with the elasticity and glowing skin. Perfect yan. Meron din siyang silk protein which helps prevent redness and irritation. Okay sa akin to kasi talagang very sensitive ang skin ko. Pag meron akong product na nilagay sa skin ko na hindi ko hiyang, talagang mamumula siya at magkakabutlik-butlik. So, perfect yung ingredient na yun for me. Then it also has elastin which helps hydrate and moisturize the skin. Meron din siyang patented tomato concentrate na may UV protection benefits. Ayan, so perfect kasi meron tayong extra protection from the harmful UV rays of the sun. Then meron din siyang N-acetylglucosamine for healthy joints. So thankful talaga ako na na-discover ko tong Live Balance Collagen Jelly kasi malaki talaga ang naitulong niya sa skin ko. Napansin ko na naglighten yung mga dark spots ko, na moisturize talaga lalo yung face ko at may binibigay siyang glow sa skin ko. Ayan, so basically, it's a skincare in a sachet. What I love most about this product is that you can bring this anywhere or everywhere with you. So kahit na busy ka, kailangan mong pumunta sa grocery, or kailangan mong mamalengke, or kailangan mong pumunta sa school ng mga anak mo, you just shoot this in your bag and then you're ready to go. Ako, I usually take this in the morning with a full glass of water before I start my daily routine here at home with the kids. And of course, with the chores I have to do and so on and so on. Ayan! So that's it for this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, please don't forget to thumbs up, leave a comment below, and subscribe to my channel. This is your Mommy Kat, now signing off. Till my next one. Bye guys! Mwah. So kung busy mommy ka katulad ko, bye ka na nito. Okay, bye!